We have a large tornado on the ground, probably hitting Pampa. Or very close.
What do you see over here?
Whoa, big power flash.
Where? Oh, right there. Val, what's going on right
Big,
here?
big power flash. Big
Whoa.
tornado on the ground.
What's over there? Nothing?
That's tornado number 6 there.
There's nothing over there, right?
There's nothing. I don't see anything back there.
Okay, this might have produced...
Yeah. Go ahead. Yes.
Why does he keep waving? He did that last time.
Oh, wow. Wow. That's a wedge. Who's in the best position? How do you propose to get there? I mean, without going right up the road that this tornado's on. Okay. Well, I'm in Pampa. I'm in Pampa right now. I could go east, straight east out of Pampa. Hey, David, I could go straight east out of Pampa. All right, we're going to go east on that road there.
I haven't seen it in a second. I don't know.
Well, that was a wedge. All right. More road is coming up here.
Did you see it?
Hail all over the road. Hail all over the road.
Did you see it illuminated that one time?
I did. It was huge.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is your east road right here.
Yes, this is our west road.
East. I don't know if it's on the ground.
Hey, where is it?
No. Oh,
Is it
maybe
over
it's
there?
straight ahead of us, maybe. I saw something hanging low, just straight. This isn't it, is it? Come on, lightning. Help us out.
Did you see it?
No.
It's gotta be right in there, I think. There it is, right there.
Okay.
There it is.
Oh my word.
Yes, it is. It is big. You are exactly right. It's big. It's straight east of us now.
Okay, watch this intersection. I don't know what's going on.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm in Pampa on the south side, and this is a wedge. Wow! Oh, that is a big storm. That is a big tornado.